Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today in this video, we are going to learn how to check the RAM speed on Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. So at the bottom, you just need to do a right click on the start icon and then open the task manager. So once you open the task manager, you will find a lot of options like performance, app history, startup, users. So we just need to go to performance. And here you will find CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, and your graphics. You just need to go to memory. And let me just maximize this. Now here in memory, you can see how much RAM you have. So I can see I have almost 8 gigabytes of RAM, and if I include the virtual RAM, it is 9.7, and the speed of my RAM is 32 megahertz, which is quite good. So let me know in the comment section, what is your RAM speed? Do you want me to create a new video to increase the memory power, to increase the RAM speed? Let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best. I hope you have enjoyed this small tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.